Hello, this is Pamela Moya from Language 7, Section 3, and this is the first video journal of this semester about alternative pedagogies. We're supposed to talk about our learning process in this unit, and as something about content, we saw connectors. And for me, it's really difficult to use them because I'm not used to do that. And I'm not that conscious about my language when I'm talking. For that reason, one of the challenges that I'm having for the next journal video is to add more connectors in my speech. Maybe I could add one connector every day in order to improve my speaking because it's something that I need to improve and I know it. And I have been thinking that when we become aware of what we are talking, we tend to think the speech that we are giving. But in my case, for me, it's really difficult to add new words if I'm not really used to do that. So my challenge, according to this process, is to add more connectors to my speech. Hopefully, you will see that in the next video journal. Another thing that I liked in this unit was that we practiced a lot writing and how to write and how to organize our ideas in a piece of paper and how to create brainstorms and how to do mind maps. But at the beginning, I thought that mind maps weren't my way of learning. But then I realized that mind maps are a really useful way to learn. And for me, I really used to because it makes me organize my ideas and it makes me put on paper what I want to say, verbally or in a writing. So I hope that we could know more techniques and how to study and how to organize ideas because I think that is something that I really need in this second unit. About alternative pedagogies, at the beginning I wasn't that sure about it because I don't know, for me the readings were kind of dogmatics. I mean, follow this because this is the right, this is the true of everything, and this pedagogy is better than this one. But that was my thought at the beginning of the unit. Now at the end, I'm thinking that we are the ones that decide what we want to teach, and I also understood that we have to be eclectic in our classes. I mean, we could take different ideas from different pedagogies and different methods and create something new. It not necessarily have to have a name. I mean, this is not this specific pedagogy. I mean, this is the one that really works for me and my students, and that is what I need to find. I mean, the way that I want to learn, or the way that I want to teach to my future students how to learn and how to build their knowledge. Because we will have different groups and we would use different techniques from different methods to all of them. And if we follow or if we marry with only one method, it would be really limited what we could do in a classroom. But on the other hand, if we are more eclectic, I mean, if we have different pieces of information about different methods, we could create something really useful for our students and for us as well. So to sum up, I would say that I enjoyed this unit. I enjoyed not only the content that we saw, but also practicing and making a lot of activities in the classroom, and not only discussing things, but doing things. That was something that I really appreciate from this unit. We do things instead of only discussing it. And we propose and we create and we ask and we have doubts and we wonder about things, and that is something that I really enjoyed about it. So thank you, teachers. We see you in the next video. That's it.